the school of beatbox. Beatbox.
Okay, let's break down this super awesome 10-step rhythm. Now, the beauty of this rhythm is that the space in between every sound is exactly the same. It's a count of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And each of the sounds just lands on the count. So it can sound something like this if we slow it down. Once again. Okay, let's take it step by step. This is step 1. Okay, so far we've just got the bass drum and the snare drum. Now we're going to add one sound, one hi-hat. Let's go for step 2. Okay, awesome. Let's move on to step 3. All we're going to do now is add our first double kick at the very beginning. Okay, time for step 4, guys. In step 4, we're going to bring in 2 extra snare drums. Let's go. Now in step 5, we're going to start to feel this beat really filling up. We're going to see now the first 5 sounds are all together and filled, and then we've got some spaces for the rest of the rhythm. So the first 5 sounds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check it out. Okay, you're doing awesome, guys. This is step 6, and we're going to add 1 extra sound. Instead of 5 at the beginning, we're going to add our 6th, so it's going to sound like this. One more time. Let's check it out. Alright, it's time for step 7. So far, we've got 6 sounds at the beginning with no spaces. After those 6 sounds, we have 1 space before we get to our first of those 2 snare drums that we added. So in that space there, after the 6 sounds and before the first snare drum, we're going to add 1 hi-hat. So the first 8 sounds now are going to sound like this. And that snare drum at the very end is the first of those 2 that we added. Listen to the rhythm. Okay, awesome. Time for step 8. Now those 2 snare drums there that we've been talking about, there's a gap in between those 2 snares for one sound, and that sound is going to be a bass drum. Here's what the rhythm sounds like. Okay, in step 9, it's the first time in this rhythm that we have a super long run of 13 sounds with no spaces, and it sounds like this. Okay, we're in step 10, and this is the final step to this rhythm. So far, we've got 13 sounds in one long run, and we've got 3 more to add at the end to make our full 16. So the final 3 sounds are a B, T, K. And the whole beat sounds like this.
School of Beatbox. Beatbox.